Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And you're looking at that and you're going, what the heck is that? Hang on, let me show you what that is. Right, in order to show you, we gotta take it apart. So it comes apart here, just like that. And then inside, a whole bunch of stuff in there. And you're saying, hey, but you read it, so you know what I'm making. So this is a pasta dryer. And I got two fiberglass rods that go in there. And then, get you up here so you can see, in the top, like this, goes on like that. And then these are just bamboo skewers that I cut the tip off, and then they fit in these holes like that. Some of them are a little bit bigger than others, but like I said, they all fit. So I've got 11 of them on there, and my wife wanted something that was nice and portable. So I tell you what, why don't you see why we made this, and then keep on watching, and we'll show you how to make it. All right, folks, so now you see the need for a pasta dryer. We're going to get something a little bit more practical than this. All right, folks, let's get to building, and I've been doing some thinking what I want to do here. So I've got some of those bamboo rods that you saw that we were hanging our pasta on. Obviously, I've cut the sharp end off. I've got like 10 of them here, and they are, someone's going to ask how long they are. So they're approximately 11 inches long. I've got, believe it or not, this is a piece of 2x4 here that I've had some scrap from that I planed down. Looks pretty nice. I've got a piece of 5/4 stock here, which looks pretty nice. And I found some of my scrap that I've got these 3/8 fiberglass dowels. I don't know what I had these for, but I think these will work. So the theory is that I'm going to drill holes in the 2x4 and like that in the 1x. This thing will be able to take that apart. And I think what I want to do is I want to take a dado blade and cut a dado the length of this, and then to make it the same width as this, and then I'll scroll out or cut out a chamber in here, and hopefully this and all those will store on the inside, and you can put this right on top of it, and that'll make it portable, storable, and in theory workable. So let's get it going. I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our stack dado blade in the table saw, and we'll give you a look-see. In fact, I've never used this. Here, let's see. I've never used the Grizzly portable table saw with a dado set up in it yet, so this is going to be new. Stay tuned. All right, folks, keep changing my mind. For that top piece, I'm going to go with a piece of 3/4 inch, just because my dado head doesn't go much bigger than 1 inch. So I've never used a stack dado blade. I've always had one of those wobble cutters, which are kind of convenient, but you never really know what you're going to get on them. And these are supposed to be a lot more accurate. Like I said, this one's an Irwin, and it does have what I like about it. It's got a thing on the back that tells you exactly what to use. So I wanted to go 3/4 inch, and that means I've used the 2 outside, and then the 3 inside, the chipper, and then 2 1/16 inch spacers, and that should give me exactly the 3/4 inch. I've got my Grizzly insert here. This is the Grizzly portable table saw. Folks, I really like this thing. So let me finish the setup here, and I'll give you a as you can see, that dado cutter worked pretty decent in a portable table saw. Now here's all. I've got 10 of these bamboo sticks, and then 2 of the uprights, which are my fiberglass, which you can do out of dowels if you want. And the theory is that they'll fit in that channel, which they do. And then this is going to go in it, and I'll probably scroll a little design on here. Now the design's just rounded and then straight, and then when you're not using it, it'll just fit right in there, and when you need it, it'll be there and nothing will be lost. So that's the theory. All right, so I've got it laid out for that, and I'm just using the scroll saw. You can use whatever you want. Just cutting a straight line here. Easy scrolling. Down to the end here. Maybe a little curve. And out, just like that. So here's the theory here that this is going to fit like this, and you can see it doesn't. I got to do a little sanding, and that's okay. I'd rather have this be too big right now than too small. But you can see, wouldn't it be kind of cool if you just scroll the little handle in there? Huh. That's not a bad idea, I don't think. That way you can carry it around. It would be even more handy. So maybe we'll do that. All right, got the handle cut in there. If you're wondering where the holes are going to go, they're going to go above the handle, and that's where those all those bamboo skewers will go. And that's where you hang your noodles from, or your pasta, I should say, not noodles. And then we're going to just do some sanding here. I want to take these edges off. I'm going to round these, this. I don't need to round that. I can if I want. And then I might actually take the router with a round over bit and go through some of the other ones. But first I'll lay out all the holes and drill the holes. All right, you're getting a little bit better look at what we're building here. You can see I've drilled about 1 inch in here, and this 5-core stock went as deep as I could go, so probably about 1 inch there also. And then this thing will just, you know, come apart like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill all our holes, and our holes are going to go in the top here, and that's where our bamboo will go. So give you a look-see. All right, so there's the holes drilled for the bamboo. Obviously the bamboo is warped a little bit. Not really a big deal. You're just hanging pasta on there. I've got 1 extra hole, so I ended up with 11, not 10. It's just the way it worked out. 1.5 inch spacing in between rods, if you're wondering. So I'll tell you what, let's put some finishing touches on there, round over some more corners, and give you a look-see before. I'm just going to put like, I'm not going to put anything where the pasta would sit. So nothing on the bamboo, but probably just a little bit of maybe some Danish oil on the pine and the fir there. So stay tuned, give you one final look-see. All right, so it's upside down. Let's see if everything fits in there. So we've got actually put our fiberglass pulls and rods in first, and then our bamboo, and then our top, and that's like that. So you've got yourself a portable hanger there, pasta hanger. Comes off, and you dump your stuff out, and put together here. You got one that goes right in there, one that goes right in there. Your top can go on either way. Put it in the hole, put it in the hole, and it's on like that. And then your pasta sticks or your bamboo sticks go in just like that. So pretty simple to do. I think it's a pretty good idea. So we'll give you, I know this would be the last look-see. Let's get it finished and give you one final look. All right, folks, they're all late night. I wanted to get this done. So two coats of Danish oil on there. I'll tell you what, that's portable right there. Easy to store and then easy to put together. Hope you give this a shot. Tom Horseman on YouTube. You want to see a whole lot more? Got a bunch of tools here, nice workshop, and building stuff and barbecuing it too, if you want to see that. Like I said, Tom Horseman on YouTube. Leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.